All right, IM3 classes. Just a quick explanation of the X factor problems, also known as diamond problems. So how these things work, right? On your assignment today. You're having a bunch of problems that are going to be set up like this. We'll have a number on top or big X with a number on top and then a number on bottom. This number on top is a product. The number on the bottom is a sum. To fill in the sides, you need to come up with two numbers that multiply to get the product, but then also add to get the sum. And it is literally a guess and check problem, right? So what I'm going to do is list the factors of 20. If you want to list everything of this, so factors of 20, two numbers that multiply to get 20. 1 times 20 would be 20. 2 times 10 is 20. And then 4 times 5. So these are all the pairs of numbers that multiply to get 20. Then you just need to see which one adds to get 9. So that's this one down here. So 4 plus 5 is 9. And so that's our answer. 4 and 5 are the completed sides for the X factor or the diamond problem. Let's do another example. Switch slides. All right. So here, another example. 44 and negative 15. So again, the top is a product. The bottom is a sum. We want two numbers that multiply to get 44, but add to negative 15. Since it's negative on the bottom, we're going to be dealing with negative numbers on the side. So that's a big hint. Also, since it's a negative on the bottom, but a positive on the top, so the two numbers have to multiply to get positive. So that means they're both going to be negative. Be a negative times a negative is a positive, and then negative plus a negative is a negative. So factors of 44, write those off to the side here. 1 and 44, 2 and 22, 3 doesn't go into 44, 4 and 11. Trying to think, that might be it. But this is the one. So 4 and 11 adds to 15. If they're both negative, negative 4 plus negative 11 is negative 15. So my solution to this X factor is negative 4, negative 11. Let's do one more where there's like a negative at the top. So here, if we have, let's say it's negative 36 and a positive 9. Right. So again, it's a product on the top. So two numbers need to multiply to get 36. It's a sum on the bottom. So factors of 36, there's a lot of them. You don't have to list these out. I don't expect you to. This part you can do in your head. Just guess and check in your head or use a calculator to help you out. But some people, it does help to actually list out all the factors that they can think of or that they can find with the calculator. So 1 times 36 is 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 4 times 9, 6 times 6, and then we're going to get back up there. That's going to be all of them. So then we can just start finding which pair is going to add to 9. But here's the thing, it's a negative 36. So to multiply, get a negative 36, one of these has to be negative. All right. So 1 plus a negative 36, this is, or if the negatives, it's going to be negative 35. So it's not this one. 2 and 18. So if it's negative 2 plus 18, that's going to be a positive 16. That's not going to be it. Negative 3 plus 12 is going to be positive 9. So negative 3 plus 12 is a positive 9. So this is our solution here. So negative 3, positive 12. Again, this is something that you should be able to do in your head. With practice, you might not be able to do it in your head right away, but it's literally just guess and check to fill in the sides for these X factor problems. And that will do it for us. Next time, we're going to talk about how to use this to factor trinomials.